Hello, how do we solve this quadratic equation using completing the square method? Solution. Let's get down the equation first. X to the power of 2 plus 6x plus 31 is equal to 0. The first step we are going to take is to transfer this constant to the right hand side. So that will be x to the power of 2 plus 6x equal to minus 31. The second step is that we are going to add half of the coefficient of x and at the same time square it to both sides. The coefficient of x here is 6. So half of it, that is 6 divided by 2. So we square it. So now we add 6 over 2 all squared to both sides. That's the second step. So that gives x to the power of 2 plus 6x plus 6 over 2 all squared equal to the right hand side minus 31 plus 6 over 2 all squared. Let's continue. Now, let us combine this left hand side. So that will be x plus 6 over 2 all squared equal to, that is, when you expand this left hand side, you are going to have all of this guy back. So we have minus 31 plus 6 over 2 all squared. Let's continue. This means that x plus 6 divided by 2, that is 3 all squared equal to minus 31 plus 6 divided by 2, that is 3 all squared. This means that x plus 3 all squared is equal to minus 31 plus, what is 3 square? That is 3 times 3, which is 9. This means that x plus 3 all squared is equal to minus 31 plus 9, that is minus 22. At this stage, let us take square root of both sides. Square roots of both sides. Doing that, we have square root of x plus 3 all squared equal to plus or minus square root of minus 22. Clearly, this bigger square root takes care of this power. We are left with x plus 3 equal to plus or minus square root of minus 22. Let's proceed further. This means that x plus 3 is equals to plus or minus. I can rewrite square root of minus 22 as square root of 22 times square root of negative 1. This implies that x plus 3 is equal to plus or minus square root of 22. But don't forget, from the complex number, square root of minus 1 is equals to I. So that means we have I here. This implies that x is equal to, moving this to the right hand side, that will be minus 3 plus or minus square root of 22i. This implies that x is either equal to, considering the positive sign, minus 3 plus square root of 22i, or x is equals to, considering the negative sign, we have minus 3 minus square root of 22i. You will see that we have two distinct solutions for this quadratic equation by using completing the square method. Minus 3 plus square root of 22i and minus 3 minus square root of 22i. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.